Imagine this. You're standing outside on a perfectly ordinary day. The sky is blue, the air feels fresh, and then something strange happens. You inhale, but it doesn't feel right. Your chest rises, your lungs expand, but the air slips through you as if it's thinner than it should be. At first, you brush it off. Maybe you're tired, maybe it's in your head, but it's not. The truth is far darker. Every single second, Earth is losing 1% of its oxygen. An invisible countdown has begun, and you, along with every living thing on this planet, are trapped inside it. 10 seconds in, oxygen has dropped by 10%. That's like suddenly transporting your body to the top of a steep mountain without warning. The air is still there, but it doesn't work the way it should. You feel lightheaded. Your heart starts pounding faster, desperate to pull in what's slipping away. You look around, and it isn't just you. People are stumbling on the sidewalks, clutching their throats. Birds stagger in the sky, wings beating furiously before tumbling down. 20 seconds. Oxygen is down by 20%. The sky looks strange now, darker somehow, as though the atmosphere itself is losing its grip. Nitrogen, once balanced and harmless, now dominates the air. Breathing feels like trying to suck air through a straw. Cars sputter to a stop. Their engines choke out mid-drive. Horns echo in chaos as vehicles pile up. Planes overhead stutter, their engines screaming before silence takes over. Some plunge like stones, others break apart mid-air, raining debris on the helpless ground below. 30 seconds. Fires break out across the world. Oxygen usually controls fire, feeding it in balance. But now, that balance is gone. Some flames suffocate instantly, while others burn uncontrollably, hotter, stranger, more violent. Gas pipes rupture, buildings erupt in bursts of orange, and entire neighborhoods blaze like funeral pyres. People scream for help, but their voices are weak, fragile, because their lungs can't carry sound the same way anymore. 1 minute. Oxygen has fallen by 60%. The human body, already fragile, is at war with itself. Your blood, starved of oxygen, can't deliver what your cells need. Your muscles fail you. Your brain is foggy, unable to hold on to a single clear thought. Panic surges through crowds. Mothers collapse with their children in their arms. Soldiers, athletes, doctors, none of their strength matters. Every breath is a losing battle. 2 minutes. Oxygen is not just running out, it's collapsing. Down by 120%, negative oxygen. An impossible phrase. A nightmare that defies science. Oceans boil with silence as fish float belly up. Coral reefs pale into ghostly skeletons. Whales, dolphins, all gasping creatures of the sea, gone. Forests wither in an instant. Leaves shrivel to ash. The great lungs of Earth, rainforests, jungles, ancient groves, become barren wastelands in seconds. And humanity? Chaos has no language. People claw at air tanks, at windows, at one another. Hospitals are overrun, but doctors and nurses collapse alongside their patients. Streets are filled with bodies gasping for breath, but the air they seek no longer exists. Technology, medicine, wealth, none of it matters now. By the 3rd minute, even the Earth itself begins to fall apart. Without oxygen, chemical bonds weaken. Steel rusts instantly. Concrete loses its strength. Bridges snap in horrifying silence. Towers crack and shatter. The monuments we thought eternal crumble like sandcastles beneath invisible waves. And then comes the sky. Oxygen was not just the breath of life, it was Earth's shield. Without it, the ozone layer peels away. Radiation from the sun, once filtered, now strikes directly. The golden warmth of daylight twists into searing rays of death. Skin burns in moments. Eyes go blind. The sun becomes a weapon, and Earth becomes its target. 4 minutes in, Earth is almost unrecognizable. Entire cities lie in ruin. Oceans are tombs. Forests are ash. The air is gone, and with it the last breath of humanity. Silence spreads, not the gentle silence of peace, but the heavy silence of extinction. 5 minutes. The countdown ends. Earth is no longer a world of life, but a barren corpse drifting through space. Once filled with the sound of laughter, storms, birds, music, now it's mute. Not even fire burns, not even wind stirs. A planet stripped of its soul. But here's the question that haunts us. Oxygen isn't just survival, it's memory. Every fire that ever warmed a cave, every breath that carried words, every heartbeat that kept us alive, all of it depended on oxygen. Without it, history itself would never have been written. Humanity would never have spoken. Earth would never have awakened. So, what if oxygen wasn't just disappearing? What if it was never truly ours to begin with? What if, all along, it was borrowed, and now something is here to take it back?